don't know what just happened. But good morning. I am doing my makeup, and there's some very exciting news that Savvy Minerals makeup is 25% off all weekend. Oh my goodness, so excited. So then I just wanted to kind of run down my morning routine and makeup routine with you guys so that you can get some ideas of what to throw in your cart through a quick order. It's quick order only. And what Savvy Minerals products are a must. And if you don't have them yet, this is the time. I don't think I ever remember any Savvy products being 25% off except for like on Black Friday, and there was only a handful of them. This one is all of them except for the premium starter kits and the brushes and the newest items. But I mean, it's pretty much everything that I'm going to show you. Okay, but the first thing that I wanted to show y'all is this Art Refreshing Toner. I just put it on my face after I put the mint satin scrub. I washed with this in the shower this morning. Then I did this, like I said. Sorry guys, I got cut off, so now I'm doing this all over. But the refreshing toner smells amazing. I absolutely love it. It's so good. A blend of oils and toner. So there you go. Then I do the glow serum, like y'all know. And this is what sets my makeup. But this is what I also use, the mattifying primer, which is on sale. And this makes my makeup last a little bit longer, especially since I have an oilier face. All right, now everything I'm about to show you is on sale, 25% off. This is a magical time to be alive, people. Okay, so like I just said, mattifying primer. Then you're gonna need a refill of this misting spray. Clearly, you see how much I use it. It's amazing. Then you're also gonna need some poppy seed lip scrub if you don't have it already. This is my favorite exfoliator and moisturizer for my lips. You think you don't need it, and then you get it, and you're like, how did I ever live without it? That's exactly what I thought. Okay, you're gonna need a refill of your foundation. This is what I wear daily. Warm too. Then this bronzer is bananas. If you don't have it, get it. It's summer loved. Then we have my favorite blush, which is Charisma. It's the prettiest pink that you'll ever wear. So this eyeshadow is my favorite eyeshadow. It's called Best Kept Secret. It's a matte finish, and it's just the perfect neutral eyeshadow. I'm not a big eyeshadow person, but this one is my favorite. Then we have this Young Living eyeliner jet setter. This is what I use for my brows and to line my eyes. Okay, now if you don't have this mascara, now's definitely the time to get it. It's infused with lavender, and it is beautiful and great for your lashes. It's going to make them long and luscious and beautiful. Then we end with my favorite lip colors. Mic Drop is amazing for a punch of color, and it's a whole lot sheerer than it looks. My favorite two lip glosses, Embrace and Abundant. It is such a pretty, it's almost like your natural color of your lips, but with just a really bright finish. And it's sparkly, and I just love it. So these are my top picks for the sale. If you have any questions, let me know, but I will be restocking all of this because 25% off is bananas.